Hi guys, welcome back to Targets Trading. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the trade that we did and the profits we made. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to Targets Trading yet, please do subscribe to Targets Trading guys. If you have not watched all the videos, please do go to our channel and watch all the videos. And if you are liking this video, please do hit that like button. Please don't forget to share the channel. Let us not wait much and we'll go on with the video guys. Okay, firstly, today, as you all know, if you had traded or if you had watched the market was very beautiful and it was on the positive side. Okay guys, there was wonderful movements in the market and there was a huge opportunities as well. See, out of this, the market has moved already to 0.90%, close to 1% today, and made a fresh high of all time for today. Okay, you can see that the Nifty has made 13,873 for this particular day, and as you can see here, it has made this. So out of this, which is the trade that we did? Okay, so which is the trade that we did and what are the profits that we made? As you can see here, the market, you can see here the market was very much positive because it opened very high compared to the last session. It was around 13,753, but it opened at around 13,864, breaking the closest resistance. So that it broke the resistance and opened, and the rally took on as well. So the market was entirely positive for this particular day. Okay, as you can see here, see the market movement. Okay, so this is the market movement which happened guys. You can see here. So it was very beautiful and it was very good on this particular day. So we expect the Nifty to be reaching at around 14,000 at the earliest. At the earliest. But for today, as you all know, we intraday traders, we do the intraday trades. So we had actually chosen many stocks today. Okay, as you can see here, we had chosen many stocks: Madhusumi, Tata Motors, DLF. Federal Bank, Jindal Steel, Chola Fin, JSW Steel, VDL, SPA and GAIL. So there are many stocks which we chose today to trade on, and we also placed order for few stocks. As you can see here, we had placed order on Tata Motors, we had placed order on Vedanta, and we had placed order on State Bank of India and DLF as well. So and out of this, we traded on DLF today. So it was a positive trade. But guys, not only that, we also, the orders which we had placed, okay, all the orders which went above and triggered are all target hits. Okay, for today they are all target hits. As you can see here, you can see the orders. That is firstly you can see the Tata Motors. Okay, let's go for the Tata Motors first. Okay, where is Tata Motors? Yeah, it is here. So as you can see here, this is where we bought 183.45. Where is the order? You can see here the order of Tata Motors 183.55. This is where we bought. I mean, we had placed the order at that particular levels, that is 183.55. It went all the way up to 187. Okay, 183 to 187, almost 2% movement which happened on this particular stock from the levels which we had placed order, but we had not traded on this particular stock, but we actually placed an order. So we also consider that too, because we could not wait. At least it took almost 45 minutes for the order to get triggered from the point. So that's why we actually cancelled that order and went on to the other stocks, because we could not waste much time on one single particular stock. Okay, and you can see here Vedanta also we had placed in a sell order, as there was a second session. In the second session there was some negative movement. As you can see, second session there was like the stock did not move, it was towards the negative side. So for that we had placed an order on the negative side. But guys, as you can see here, Vedanta, so the order did not trigger as well. So you can see the order did not get triggered. Okay, you can see Vedanta 158.50 is the lowest. That is where, okay, the order did not get triggered from this, but it went high and it also made today's high and it went till 165.35 till here it went. So but no worries guys, we are not traded, the order did not trigger, and there is it is better not to lose money every day. Okay, so and you can see and the State Bank of India, that is 271.75, that is where we had placed the order, State Bank of India. Okay, you can see the stock we had placed at 271.65. It did not get triggered at the required time. Like it would have been a good trade, but it did not trigger, so we did not trade on this particular stock. You can see it went all the way up till 276. So this is the high which has made, this the stock has made today, and it has gone from, you can see, 271 to 275, almost 1.5 percentage movement from the from our order zone. Okay, so and you can see here guys, we had bought DLF at 235.50 and sold it at 236.30, that is 0.3 percentage target on this particular stock. So when it comes to DLF, you can see in the first session, so it went to the target in the second session itself. So that this is 235.45 and it went all the way up to 236.50. Okay, and on the next session, but the high it has made is 239, as you can see, from 235 to 239. This is the moment that has happened on this particular stock, almost 2% movement on this particular stock, and we made a good profit. Okay guys, okay, if you are liking this video, please do subscribe to Targets Trading for more videos, and please do support our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day guys.